Hello, Mom and Dad Me World. So I want to talk to you about, no, not this computer right here, but this computer did get me to thinking about the storage. This computer right here, the 13-inch M4 MacBook Air in the baseline configuration with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of SSD storage. But what got me to thinking about the storage is actually the computer right here behind me. This is the M2 Max Mac Studio. This is the baseline version of that M2 Max Mac Studio. So that has the 32 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD storage. But it's not really the lack of storage. It is, but it isn't, because we don't lack for storage. But the problem is I've got this miscellaneous data. And this miscellaneous data right back here, that is what is irking me quite a bit. So we've got almost 400 gigabytes of system data. And yes, I've done the Google searches. I've done the thing to where you're clearing all of your cache, you're clearing all of your temporary data. I've used the Clean My Mac X. I've used all these other programs that people do recommend. And for some reason, it does work for them, but for some reason it is just not working for me, to a point to where when I've cleared some of these temporary files, some of these system cache files, I've rebooted the computer and my background is gone, my wallpaper's gone, and it just reverts back to whatever factory wallpaper was there before. So it's definitely removing that system data, but it's not removing the right system data. I cannot figure out for the life of me what is going on with that system data and why it is so large. And I mean that because I had to remove even Final Cut to even do a Mac OS update, which somebody had mentioned that if you get to the new update and you can get your system to update, it'll fix the system data issue. It does not fix that system data issue because I've got, again, almost 400 gigs of system data that I cannot delete. And no, I'm not using any sort of time machine backup for this particular computer. We have our own network area storage or local storage that we use to offload all of our videos. But as far as that goes, yeah, not anything to do with the time machine backups, nothing to do with like those other cleaners. It's just, for the life of me, I cannot figure out what to do. So what I will end up doing is just putting a clean install, reinstalling Mac OS. Basically, we're going to start from scratch like a brand new computer. And yes, I know a lot of people do that, but this was unexpected. I didn't think I was having any sort of issues until I just literally went to go update Mac OS, and it told me I did not have enough room. And I went, why do I not have enough room? Because I've got this computer right here where it's 256 gigs, and I've had to do the thing to where I gotta delete something to update Mac OS, but on this computer it shouldn't be an issue, and it was. And I see the 400 or almost 400 gigs of system data that is unaccounted for and I can't do anything with. So if you out there have any suggestions, I think I've pretty much tried them all with the Clean My Mac X and those other programs that people refer to that can delete all that stuff in the background. Didn't work for me. And yeah, so I will be deleting and reinstalling, restarting from scratch Mac OS, and hopefully it does not happen again. But if it does happen again, I definitely want to know suggestions and suggestions that have worked for you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Sorry it did not help you out, but if you could help me out, that would be great, especially for next time. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.